Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a glow-in-the-dark acrylic stiletto nail look. I'm going to be using this glow-in-the-dark pigment and my Mia's Secret clear acrylic powder and Mia's Secret pink acrylic powder to create an ombre look. I'm going to start by mixing the glow-in-the-dark pigment with my clear acrylic. I'm going to use about that much. And I'm going to take 1 spoon like this and add it in there. Now you only want to use enough to where you can see the color of the clear acrylic change. So I'm going to use 1.5 and see how that turns out. And I'm going to use this scraper tool to mix up the pigment with the clear acrylic. You want to make sure that this is really well mixed so that you don't get any streaks when you drag your acrylic powder. Okay, now that I've mixed that up to where it's all one color, I'm going to put this aside and mix up my purple pigment. I'm going to take another clear box and I'm going to again take the Mia's Secret clear acrylic. Now this time I'm going to be using a little bit less because I only need a little bit of purple. I'm going to put some clear acrylic in here and I'm going to take the purple pigment now. Now this pigment is really good, but you can use a acrylic mixer or a grinder if you want, and you can grind the pigments together, but this is pretty fine. I think I'm going to add a little bit more purple to that. Next I'm going to take my nail glue and my nail tips. Today I'm using these stiletto nail tips. These are half tips. I've already primed and prepped my nails and filed them down. My nails are a little bit damaged from my last acrylic application, which I actually tore off instead of soaking it off, so I'm not going to file them down too much. I'm just going to apply my tips like normal. Once I'm done applying all of my tips, I'm going to go back in with my 180 grit nail file and I'm going to carefully file down the tips so that there is a seamless transition between my natural nail and the acrylic nail tips. Okay, today I'm going to be using my number 10 brush. This is a slightly bigger brush because I have longer nails to do today. And then I'm going to start by applying the blue glow-in-the-dark powder. The cleaner your acrylic application is, the less filing you will have to do afterwards. Okay, now that I'm done with my blue glow-in-the-dark, I'm going to be taking the Mia's Secret Cover Pink acrylic powder and I'm going to use this to create an ombre on my nail. I'm gonna move on and do the rest of my nails. Now I'm just gonna take this and do a purple ombre. Okay, so I purchased these star cutouts from Amazon. I'm gonna leave them in the link below. These are so cute. Wow, they're so shiny. So I'm just gonna put a really thin layer of clear acrylic just to help them stick. And then I'm gonna just take a few of these. Now that I think I'm done, I'm going to encapsulate this very, very generously with clear acrylic so that I don't file into these when I'm filing. Okay, now I'm going to use my 180 grit nail file to clean up my shape. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you don't file too much or you'll end up with a crooked shape. I'm gonna go in with my e-file. I'm gonna be using the 180 grit coarse file to go over all of my nails. Once I feel like that's clean, I'm gonna go in and do my cuticles. I'm gonna change my bit. I'm gonna use this domed bit that is a fine grit for the cuticle area and the sidewalls. Now, one of the reasons why you get lifting on your acrylic application is because your acrylic is stuck to your cuticle area. So you wanna make sure to clean this up so that the nail doesn't lift. I'm gonna put this on super low. As you can see, I can move it on my skin without hurting myself. And I'm gonna go in and do the cuticle area. can also use this to clean up underneath my nails without hurting myself. And the side walls. As you can see, I can get really close to my cuticles without cutting myself. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna buff this using the other side of my nail file. Now that I've washed my hands, I'm gonna be using the Vanalisa Tempered Top Coat. I'm going to take my gem box and I'm going to be applying these Marquise Swarovski crystals. Okay, once I'm happy with how these gemstones look, I'm going to cure this for 2 minutes and then I'll be right back to show you the finished results. Okay, now that my nails are done curing, I am super happy with how this look turned out. I love the filing, I love the shape of the nails, I love the cutout glass stars and the ombre effect. I did this nail with pink acrylic, regular pink acrylic, not glow in the dark, and glow in the dark blue, and the rest are glow in the dark purple and blue, and I love how it turned out. I love both of these ombres, especially this pink Mia Secret acrylic. It's a really nice nude pink. Now I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil and we'll be all done with this nail look. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.